Hi, so let's learn today how do we create certificates in a matter of few seconds. You know, there is hard way that you can go to, you can create a template, just keep copying and pasting the names and unique number, or there's a smart way of it, which I learned, and that's why I'm making this video that I can share it with you all so that you could also use the same way. So let me start by creating a small template. Let me go to new. You can in Word you can find various formats of certificates. I'm just picking one. You could based on the Microsoft Office that you're using, you will be able to get different versions of certificates. I'm just showing this for an example sake. Okay, so this is like something called as the world's best whatever name the certificate is awarded to. So this, so here you can change your text also in here in recognition of best performance in the competition, something like this. Okay, and you can of course add your signature over here, the date. Okay, you keep this as a template. Okay, and after that what you do is you create an Excel sheet. Okay, so let me pause and create an Excel sheet now. Okay, so there you go. I have created this Excel sheet with the names. I've given a unique ID for each of them and probably the city if I want to put it in the certificate. Okay, so what I do is I go to the document where I have done, I go to mailings, okay, and I start mail merge, okay, and I go to step-by-step mail merge wizard, okay, and then you click on letters and go to next, and you select use the current document. Yes, this is the same document that I will use. You could also use a template, but I'll go with this current document that is there. I click on select recipients. Now here is where I go to browse to get that Excel sheet. So here is the Excel sheet that I have prepared. Okay, and this is the Excel sheet. These are the names, the city, the unique ID. So I click on OK. Great. So the next step is now the Excel sheet is now uploaded. I click on next. Okay. So here is where you click on where you need to change the fields. Okay, the fields are dynamic, and you click on that, and you go to insert merge field here, and you click on name. Okay, and if you want to say from this competition name, you want to give a unique ID or something, right? So you can type here as unique ID. So the unique ID will be here, and then you click on next, preview the letters. Okay, voila. So you have the letters over here. I click on complete the merge, and you can print it. So you can print all. You say OK, and you can select the form of a PDF that you want. Okay, and you click on OK. So it will take some time. So I have created a folder in my desktop as certificates. So certificates. I click on save and say OK. So it is printing the certificates for me, and let me just Okay, now the certificates are here in the folder, and let me click on these certificates. So here you see I've created all the certificates in a matter of seconds. Yeah, and you can see the name is changing as well as the unique ID. The unique certificate number is also changing. So this is a smart way of how you can probably create certificates for thousands of people whom you have as attendees for your webinars or training programs, and you could create them in a matter of few seconds. Hope you like this video, and if you like it, please do give a thumbs up to it. Thank you.